It's us. Y'all see, I'm on the way to the drag strip now to meet up with my friends. You know, I had to go run some errands before I went, so they left without me. But yeah, so this should be a good little vlog. You know, go to the drag strip and stuff.
I couldn't even tell you. I'm not going. Look at the helicopter.
Where? Oh, the helicopter where?
I'm gonna go take a picture.
Bro, this is the most toughest thing I've seen.
There's a Terminator.
Wait, where?
Wait, and it looks super.
Oh, I need to see. I'm sorry, bro. I'm about to fan out, bro. Oh, no, hold on. I like this car. See, look, I like, bro. Well, this is so tough, bro. That's low as heck, though. So, man, I should put my car over here, bro. It would have made more sense. But no, this M is hard, bro. That M is hard.
Break in, normal startup.
Normal start.
Press button. And then just
drive it. Oh, this is a nice. Hey, this is a nice car. Thank you, sir. That was weak.
Nah, that was look.
Oh, hold on, Shelby. That's not Shelby.
Is that a C5? C5 Oh yeah. C5's behind it. C5's behind it. She's saying she has to have the swagger of me when it comes to the IG.
Okay, now that's hard. I got that's hard one right there. Hey, come on. I think it's super modded. Oh. I can't lie.
You see what I'm talking about?
When I get mine out the
White one's winning $10 billion.
Do any of you guys want my prize?
That's weak. This is tough. This is nice.
This is the one-on-one off the Skater G. I'm smoking.
Hey, Mom, this is the only car I pick over $1.
JLT Shelby. JLT
Yeah.
intakes.
It's tough.
Yeah, it is. This is like
This is tough, bro. I'm about to leave now, and it's not gonna be in the video because I still have to go get gas in here and everything. So I'll see y'all then. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all in a second. I'll see. I'm back in my favorite place, the gas station. I'm still in the area though, but hold on, let me make sure my door's locked. Hey guys, I'm in the place I do not know where I'm at right now, so I might get off here because I can't be whacking right now. So I'll get back to y'all when I'm pay for the gas and I'm waiting for it to charge. I mean, not charge, I don't know what I'm talking about. Fill up. No, hold on. I wonder what this looks like today. I can't lie. This was actually a good vlog today, I can't lie. Dang, this looks hard. But as y'all saw in one of the clips, my dream car is a Supra. I need to get the Supra, but yeah, I need to get that Supra. But this is clean though. I need to go get it washed actually. Ooh, is it done? Yeah, it's done. I'll see y'all later. I'm about to get on the road. I'll get y'all when I'm back in Augusta at Wings and Phillies. I need to go get me something to eat. So I'll get back to y'all when I'm in Wings and Phillies.
I'm in that Rolls Royce with 3 cups. I'm gonna live it up. I'm gonna live it up. Double styrofoam. Hello, can't leave me alone. She said, Trey, you are a clone. Rockin' a V, rockin' a V.